Hey, hello, fellow 2A supporters. This is Nola Gospel with the Walther PPQ in 9mm. First of all, we are clear and safe. There is nothing in the chamber, nothing in the magwell. The wife is at jiu-jitsu. The cats are somewhere. There is no ammo in the room, no ammo anywhere near me, and I am the only one here. This is the Walther PPQ Q4 Tactical. Came with a threaded barrel, which I removed and put the standard factory barrel in, and I will eventually, if I ever buy another suppressor, I will reinstall a threaded barrel. Okay, so this gun is made in Germany. I love German-made pistols. Walther and HK, in my opinion, better than a Glock. This is the pistol that spoiled me on triggers. I owned this a good while before I purchased my first Glock, right? So when I went to, took my Glock out to the range, and I was really disappointed in the trigger. My first Glock was a 43X. It hurt my finger. Like, what the hell? Okay, so I'm so used to shooting this. But I eventually got used to the Glock trigger. I do own more than one Glock now. And I don't mind the trigger at all. I don't care about triggers anymore, but this is still a million times better. Walther did discontinue this model, the PPQ. They rolled out the PDP, which I did have for a little while, and I did like it, but I do like this one better, so I traded it in. There's no reason for me to own the PDP. This is just fine. But this is my first ever optic, red dot optic, the Holosun 507C. Let's take a look at it right now. Very nice. So it did take me a while to come around to optics. I resisted them at first, didn't want to jump on the bandwagon, I don't like new technology. I'm a boomer. I'm set in my ways. Yeah, there you go, man. This is the Holosun 507C, Shake Awake, solar panel on the top here. I've been having this for quite a while, and the battery has still never gone out. Okay, so let's just roll the range footage and see how I do. It might have been going a little bit to the left because I didn't want to hit her. Shot him in the hand and knocked the gun out of his hand like in the movies. Got some Joe Biden leg shots in. Let's see. Grazed her shoulder a little bit. Lawsuit. Hopefully I missed her. It went right through her hair. But I think she's going to be okay. Just barely grazed her shoulder. Destroyed his face. Knocked the gun out of his hand. To Joe Biden leg shots. There you go. Right, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.